Hi, welcome to Jewelsville, where we discuss some of the best jewelry pieces you can find online. If you're into affordable and trendy jewelry accessories, then please subscribe to our channel so that you can get updates every time we release a new video. Today, we will present 25 beautiful women's Pandora Charms from Amazon. These charms are the perfect Valentine's gift for your loved ones, but you can definitely get them these charms any time of the year. They will surely appreciate these charms even if there is no special occasion to celebrate. This list has different types of charms, be it for your mom, daughter, friend, girlfriend, wife, or simply for yourself. Let's start. First, we have this lovely charm that you can get your wife. Made with sterling silver, it is heart-shaped locket charm engraved with the words, "My beautiful wife." It is the perfect gift to remind your wife how much you appreciate her. It measures 0.16 inches by 0.45 inches by 0.37 inches and weighs 4 grams. You can get it for only $69.98. Next, we have a luxurious two-tone crown charm. The crown has a round plaque engraved with the word Queen, making everyone who wears it feel royal. It is a suitable addition to your collection and a great gift idea for someone special too. It measures 12.5 mm by 11.2 mm by 11.2 mm. Next, we have a very symbolic sterling silver charm. It features infinity signs linked together, forming a ball shape. It is sleek, stylish, and can mean many different things. It measures 0.43 inches by 0.43 inches by 0.39 inches and weighs 1 gram. You can purchase it for only $24.99. Next, we have a detailed vintage charm that will surely dazzle everyone who sees it. It features a night sky motif with a crescent moon and stars embellished with a cubic zirconia stones. It is engraved with the words, "I love you to the moon and back." This lovely charm measures 0.17 inches by 0.44 inches by 0.44 inches and weighs 1 gram. It is available for only $64.99. Next, we have a romantic rose gold plated heart-shaped charm perfect for your significant other. With a beaded pattern and a rosy finish, it has a unique antique vibe that is stylish in every way. It is a timeless piece that your loved ones will surely appreciate. It measures 0.32 inches by 0.41 inches by 0.43 inches. You may get it for only $44.99. Next, we have another beaded heart-shaped charm in rose gold plating. The beads are linked together to form its shape, resulting in an elegant look. It is a great gift idea for those who mean a lot to you as a symbol of love. This charm measures 0.3 inches by 0.43 inches by 0.49 inches and weighs 1 gram. You can buy it for only $32.96. Next, we have this dangling heart-shaped charm embellished with cubic zirconia stones. It is engraved with the words "Forever Friends." Atop this engraving is an infinity symbol formed by cubic zirconia stone embellishments. This charm measures 0.11 inches by 0.55 inches by 0.46 inches. It is available for only $43.99. Next, we have this 14-karat rose gold plated charm filled with cubic zirconia stones. It features two differently sized heart-shaped padlocks intertwined together, symbolizing everlasting love. This charm is the perfect gift for your special someone. It measures 0.5 inches by 0.55 inches by 0.52 inches. Next, we have something with which you can truly personalize your charm bracelets. This letter-shaped charm lets you stylize your charm bracelet with your initials, name, or even a message. The front side is polished, while the back side is embellished with raised hearts and beads. This charm measures 0.24 inches by 0.44 inches by 0.41 inches and weighs 1 gram. Next, we have the slotted heart-shaped sterling silver charm. Looking like the infinity symbol, this charm represents a strong relationship and lasting love. Look no further if you're searching for a thoughtful present to your partner. It measures 0.35 inches by 0.47 inches by 0.47 inches. You may purchase it for only $45. Next, let's talk about this sterling silver charm featuring a labyrinth heart pierced with an arrow. It is engraved with a simple yet powerful message saying, "Follow your heart," encouraging you to do as your heart desires. It measures 0.37 inches by 0.42 inches by 0.46 inches. For only $70, you can have this sleek charm. Now, let's talk about this plate dangling charm. The rare disc is engraved with the words, "I hold your heart forever." Completing the modern vibe of this charm is the heart-shaped dangle in front. You can have this charm for only $73.2. Next, let's talk about this spear-shaped charm hand finish in 925 sterling silver. It features an open-work flower pattern, creating lovely swirls for a modern look. These discs are elegantly linked together using sterling silver beads. This charm measures 0.39 inches by 0.43 inches by 0.39 inches. You can have it for only $45. Now, let's talk about this very dazzling heart-shaped charm with the orchid pink crystals. Finished with 14-karat rose gold plating, this charm features a large heart-shaped crystal surrounded by white enamel and small crystals. It is perfect for a fan glam night. It measures 0.37 inches by 0.45 inches by 0.48 inches. You may purchase it for only $84.99. Next, let's talk about this dangling labyrinth heart charm. It is finished in sterling silver and rose gold, creating a soft, warming touch. It has an inscription saying, "Follow your heart," encouraging anyone who wears it to do as the heart pleases. It measures 0.8 inches by 0.89 inches by 0.45 inches. For only $90, you can get this beautiful charm. Now let's talk about this dangling charm with two hearts interlocked. One heart is plated with sterling silver while the other is plated with 14-karat gold. Both hearts are embellished with cubic zirconia stones for a gorgeous sparkly finish. This dangling charm measures 0.6 inches by 0.65 inches by 0.33 inches and weighs 1 gram. Next, let's talk about this sterling silver charm with impeccable details, particularly its cubic zirconia stone embellishments. It has a fun inscription saying, "My rock." It dangles from a bale with heart-shaped decorations. This cute charm measures 0.11 inches by 0.46 inches by 0.46 inches. You may get it for only $65.35. Now let's talk about this sphere-shaped charm. Forming its shape are carefully crafted openwork hearts finished in sterling silver. It works not just for bracelets but also for necklaces. This lovely charm measures 0.43 inches by 0.43 inches by 0.42 inches and weighs 4 grams. You may purchase it for only $24.99. Next, let's talk about this simple sterling silver charm featuring a row of hearts. With its timeless design, it is a classic addition to your charm collection. Your loved ones will definitely appreciate receiving it as a present too. This charm weighs 4 grams and measures 1.8 centimeters by 1.8 centimeters by 10.8 centimeters. It is available for only $34.99. Now, let's talk about this sterling silver charm with a cut-out heart design. This classic charm is a great gift idea for your anniversary. Surrounding the heart-shaped cut-out cubic zirconia stones that give it as an elegant finish. It measures 0.27 inches by 0.4 inches by 0.4 inches. You can get this charm for only $64.99. Next, we have this dangling sterling silver heart-shaped charm that serves as a reminder of your friendship. As a perfect gift for your friends, it comes in a split design with 2 parts. One part is for you, while the other is for your friend. Even if you are apart, this charm is a reminder that you are always there for each other. It measures 0.34 inches by 0.47 inches by 0.47 inches. You may buy it for only $82.52. Next, you have this dangling heart-shaped charm for your wife. It has an inscription saying, "My wife always." This beautifully embellished charm is a timeless gift that your wife will definitely appreciate, whether there is a special occasion or none. It measures 0.15 inches by 0.53 inches by 0.51 inches. You can have it for only $54.99. Next, we have this very youthful charm filled with clear cubic zirconia stones and pink mist crystals. It has a heart-shaped cutouts on the side, completing its exquisite and loving look. The floral design further brings it to perfection. This gorgeous charm measures 0.4 inches by 0.46 inches by 0.46 inches. It is available for only $114.99. Next, we have this dangling 4-leaf clover charm, engraved with the words, "Love makes life extraordinary." It is a beautiful reminder of the power of love. At the center of the silver-plated clover is a ladybug finished in Pandora's very own 14-karat rose gold plating. It measures 0.2 inches by 0.87 inches by 0.57 inches. For only $65, you can avail of this charm. Lastly, we have the signature Pandora Charm finished in sterling silver. It features the spinning heart surrounded by tiny heart-shaped cutouts and cubic zirconia stones. It is a versatile charm. You can combine it with other charms on your bracelet or put it on your necklace. It measures 0.14 inches by 0.53 inches by 0.53 inches. You may buy it for only $66.44. That's all for today's video. Hopefully, you found an excellent gift for your loved ones here. Which one did you like the most? Feel free to share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. You can check out these charms through the direct links provided in the description box. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, especially if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching!